Hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. If you remember, guys, as part of the previous session, we have seen how exactly we converted the collections of or curl command of a Zira API into this particular Postman, right? And the authorization mechanism that uses out over there is a basic authorization. So what I have done is before proceeding further with my topic, I just navigated to my Karate official website and I'm searching for this basic authorization mechanism. And here there is a reference link here. So what this Karate framework is stating is, buddy, if you want to do the basic authorization, you just create a basic auth.js file, place the content out over here, and wherever you want to generate that, place this line, header authorization is equal to read the file, followed by the username and a password. Just specify this line. That's it. So as per the direction, whatever I got from a Karate official website, I copy this file name and let's go back here and I'm creating a new file with that particular name itself. So here is a file and I'm giving it as a basic auth.js. And the content that I'm going to specify here is as per the documentation, whatever the content is there, I just placed that particular content into this particular one. And now I have created a new feature file for me. Let me create a scenario for that. So validate basic auth for Zira and get user details. This is what my requirement is. I just want to deal with this activity itself. Hence, I have created that given URL. So what would be the URL? From the Postman, we have this URL and the method that it's being used as a get. So place the URL, then method. The method is a get and status is a 200. Perfect. But here we need to implement the authorization concept and okay. And if you go to the Karate official website, they have given a link that wherever you want to use the authorization, you can use this particular line. So copy this line from here and just place it here. And instead of a star regular expression, I'm marking it as an N. And header authorization is equal to call read base underscore auth.js. Of course, we have already created the file and you need to specify the username and a password. I already have my username and a password in this particular Postman itself. I copied my username and I have updated my username value here. The similar way, let's get the password for that particular user from the Postman itself. And I'm just placing that password here. So guys, if you clearly observe what I'm doing means the Zira APIs, I'm converting into a curl and from then I'm taking a Postman's help and I'm directly generating my required needs and I'm executing my stuff in here. And now at the rate basic auth1. So this is what the tag name that I have given for my scenario. And let me try to run this and see what exactly the response we are getting. Run as a JUnit test. It's been executed and let us see how this is going to work. So here in the console, if you see basically this test is passed and this is what the response that we got from that particular API. So the same response, whatever we are validating here, the same response we got it from here also. This is the way how exactly we can use this Zira API precisely and get a method. In the next session, we will see how exactly we can use a post method. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.